Welcome to Growing Old, Autos, Week 6.
The name you'll hear around, 'cause we're planting seeds in sacred ground. We cultivate with purpose, heart and soul. Cannabis as medicine, that's our goal. In our greenhouse, sunshine streams and glow.
Well, here at Growing Old, you know we love our auto pots. And now we have a code that can help you save 10%. Growing Old. Okay, before we get started on looking at our autos, I noticed a couple of leaks out here, and that's one of the things you do if you're running your auto pots. You always want to come out, you want to check for leaks, you want to check, make sure there's water in your pot, but I'm going to quick change that. Now what those are is, those are the old versions that auto pots used to carry. Now they carry these, and these are way better. So I'm gonna replace that with these, with this one, because those, they'll get dry and they crack and then they start to leak. So I'm gonna quick change that. And I'm even going to just open it up. And you can see right here, here's some stuff that came out. So you want to make sure, because right now I'm just running plain water, because I want to get all this. This is what's left over from where it comes. It's your fertilizer that goes through the water. If it sits too long, it'll do that. So now I'm just running water to get that all through. But let's start with Tiny Dancer. And if you can see there that I've kind of stretched her out a little bit with some wire here to get her open here. I was going to do the same thing here, but I might have stretched her just a little bit, and I'm just going to leave her go right like that. But she's plugging along. She is what she is. I still like her. And then we hit our first two Gorilla Glues. This first one, they haven't changed too much, but they're getting pretty big. I mean, if we look right up here, I mean that's like a nugget there. And as I pull that out, take a little cleaning up, but I mean that thing's as big as my thumb. I mean, she's getting good, and she's starting to get sticky, and she even smells pretty good. Then our next Gorilla Glue, about the same. It's starting to get some good sized nugs, and it's starting to sticky up, because like Turpin Hunter says, what we're doing is she's putting on some sunscreen. So she's starting to get close. But we're gonna go till at least July with these things. And we come down to, as I hit my head on that fan, come down to our two totem poles. And I mean, they look pretty. If they were cactuses, they'd be really cool. But I mean, this is just, right here, that's just one solid, gonna be one solid nugget there. She's branching off nice. And then this last one, I mean, it's the same as over there, but I mean, this thing is this long. I mean, they're kind of pretty, but But we'll get something out of them. They are what they are. So I just like to say thanks to all of our subscribers and viewers. This stuff is fun, and hopefully it's fun for you. Thanks.
Cannabis as medicine, that's our goal. In our greenhouse, sunshine streams and glows.